The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 are gearing up for their grand reveal in early July, and the excitement is off the charts. Thanks to a steady stream of leaks, we're starting to see a much clearer picture of Samsung's next-generation foldables, even though some details keep shifting like sand in the wind. According to fresh reports from Tech Maniacs, the Z Fold 7 could be a real game-changer. It's rumored to be significantly thinner than its 2024 predecessor. Earlier leaks hinted at 9.5 millimeters when folded, but the latest buzz suggests it could be just 8.2 millimeters folded. If true, Samsung would leapfrog ahead of rivals like the Oppo Find N5 and even beat its own Z Fold Special Edition, which folds to a much chunkier 10.66 millimeters. But thinness isn't the only headline. The Z Fold 7 is expected to carry a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, just like the Special Edition. However, the 3x10 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra-wide lenses might not see upgrades this time. A small letdown for photography enthusiasts hoping for improvements across the board. On the display front, there's reason to celebrate. The inner screen could grow to 8 inches, while the cover screen will stretch slightly to 6.5 inches, offering more real estate without bulking up the frame. Bigger screens and a thinner body? Absolutely. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also getting some major upgrades. The cover screen will reportedly expand from a 3.4-inch folder-shaped window to an almost full 4-inch rectangle, improving usability without flipping open the device. The Flip 7 is also expected to slim down, although exact thickness details are still under wraps. Battery life will see a boost too, increasing from 4,000 mAh to a solid 4,300 mAh. Charging speeds, however, remain unchanged. Camera-wise, don't expect a huge jump. The Flip 7 is likely sticking with the proven 50 megapixels plus 12 megapixel setup from the Flip 6. Under the hood, both the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, branded as the Elite for Galaxy. However, a special variant of the Flip 7 might ship with Samsung's in-house Exynos 2400E. On the pricing front, it's rumored that the Z Fold 7 will see a €100 price increase over the Fold 6, which launched at €2,000. As for the Flip 7, there's no news about a price hike yet, and sometimes no news is good news. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is expected to happen in early July, possibly returning to New York City after a 3-year break. Given Samsung's tradition of launching foldables on Wednesdays, the most likely dates are either July 2nd or July 9th. Alongside the foldables, Samsung could also unveil a new Galaxy Watch, its first Android XR headset, and even tease the long-rumored Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, an affordable clamshell foldable. For those dreaming bigger, Samsung might even hint at a tri-fold device to rival Huawei's Mate X series. In short, here's what's shaping up. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature a 6.5-inch cover screen, an 8.2-inch main display, a 200-megapixel main camera, a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, and launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16. Meanwhile, the Z Flip 7 will sport a larger 4-inch cover screen, a 6.85-inch inner display, bigger battery, and the same reliable camera setup as before. Both phones should support 25-watt fast charging, come with at least 12 gigabytes RAM, 256 gigabyte storage, and Samsung's latest Galaxy AI features. The foldable market may have faced a few challenges recently, but Samsung looks ready to turn the tide. With Apple rumored to enter the foldable arena next year, this summer's Unpacked event could redefine the future of foldables. Buckle up, because this could be one for the history books. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for all the latest tech trends, gadgets, and big announcements.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos covering tech trends, gadgets,